YouTube, Steph Cashier. And today, we're gonna be looking at this snack crate. Really, all this is just, you just be trying snacks all over the world, basically. So today, we're gonna be trying India. Let's see this. This ain't nothing but some fun facts, a couple things about India. This is where we got them from right there. Snack crate. Look at the expiration dates on your stuff. You got the little snack lid. I like how it is on the inside though. That look kind of nice though. Look dope. Alright, so we got some Katamita, some Perel G biscuits, some Mang Mix pineapples, Burb. I'm just gonna show y'all this stuff. Show y'all as we go along. Y'all might know these, so I'm gonna start with these. These some Lay's. These some Lay's Magic Sala. They might be good. I'm gonna try these. Anyway, they might not be too good. What's up with this? These extra sealed. I don't know how you can open up these Lay's. Hold on. Well, that kind of a little spicy. A little spicy. And then we got some Bujia Sieve. They like some crisp be sand sticks. I don't think I'm gonna try these. I'm not like there we go. Lucille. We got some chili some curd chili choc. I don't know if it's none of this stuff. Oh, we got it. I ain't gonna try this either. We got some Katamita. That's about the easiest thing I say. It's just crunchy and sweet sour snack. So I'm back. Finna look at the candy and stuff now, this Indian stuff. Snack fat. We got like 3 of these little things. I guess they some Kacha mango bite. I'm gonna learn how to say this stuff. Ain't no description on these though. They gave you like 3 of them though. We got a perk, not the, hold on, nah, I don't know about the perk. Yeah, it's a perk double at that. Ain't nothing like them perk 30s. I ain't gonna try that one at all. Okay, this is like, it's a Rolo Cola. I don't know, and we got some Poppins too, Mozilla. I don't know, a Roller Cola just like a small solid cola flavor. I'm guessing it might taste like Coke. I would guess. I don't see this Poppins on this thing either. Here you go, fruit flavored candies. Okay, we got the Fabo, nah, the Fade Bourbon. I like this little chocolate. I don't like it, might be too bad. We got some Parley G. She looking mad. Alright, we got some Magics pineapple. I don't like pineapple. We got some Jam In Faves too. Fab. I don't know why I keep saying Faves. They kind of good. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Just subscribe, tune in, I have some more stuff to show y'all eventually. I be tired, I'm lazy. So just like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Thanks for watching.